The Prophet ﷺ said, "There is twofold reward for him, one for connecting links and one for paying zakat." Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu reports in Medina Munawwara, Hazrat Abu Talha was the wealthiest person regarding palm trees, and he liked, amongst all his gardens, Bayruha, the most that was an opposite side of the Masjid Nabawi and was frequently visited by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who used to drink its clear water. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu narrates, when the words, "You shall never attain good unless you spend your favorite things," was revealed, Hazrat Abu Talha came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah the Almighty says, you shall never attain good unless you spend your favorite things. And out of my all assets, I like Bayruha the most. So I give it as alms in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And I anticipate for its reward and treasure from Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. So, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, utilize it as you wish." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Bravo, this is a useful and profitable bargain. I heard whatever you said. I think you should distribute it among your kith and kin." Hazrat Abu Talha said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I will do so." So he divided it among his close relatives and cousins on his father's side. Rahu corroborated him, whereas Yahya bin Yahya and Ismail reported Raihu from Imam Malik. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 1461.